Tired of losing visitors because your Wix website takes too long to load? Today, I'm going to show you how to create a custom loading page for your Wix website, making a better first impression and keeping visitors engaged. First, open your Wix editor. In the left-hand menu, click on Pages and Menu to access your site pages. Next, click the Add Page button and create a new page. We'll name this page Loading Page. Once you have your loading page, you'll need to set it as your home page, so it loads first. Now, design your loading page, add your logo or a relevant image, and most importantly, a loading animation. You can find free animated GIFs online, or create your own. Alternatively, you can head to the Wix App Market by clicking the App Market icon on the left and search for a loading bar app. This provides a simple, no-code solution for adding a loading indicator. For those comfortable with code, you can add custom code to automatically redirect from the loading page to your main homepage after a short delay. This can be done through the Wix Velo platform. And that's it. Now, when visitors come to your site, they'll see your stylish loading page, giving them something to look at while your website fully loads. This creates a smoother and more professional user experience.